Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this plain seam, closed seam. This seam is more common to use in the part of the garment and other sewing crafts. The constructions. Put the first piece of fabric and mark the seam line. Put the second piece on top and mark the seam line. Sew the stitch to the seam line. Overlock the two pieces of seam allowance together. How to make it? Prepare two pieces of fabrics, mark the right side and the wrong side, put it in layer right side together, and then ready to sew with 1 cm seam allowance. Remember to lock the stitch in the beginning and at the end of the seam line. Sew the both fabrics following the seam line. Trim the thread. Open the garment sample. Turn to wrong side where the seam allowance is, and then prepare to overlock the seam allowance edge. Overlock the two pieces together until the end of the seam line. And here is the result seen from the wrong side. We can see the overlock in the edge of the seam allowance, and this side is the right side. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.